Hello everyone. Welcome back to our awesome vegetable adventure. Are you ready to guess some super cool vegetables today? Can you guess the name of this first vegetable? Carrot. Yes, you are right. Carrots are crunchy and orange. They are great for munching on and for your eyesight too. Okay, next up. Here's a tricky one. What's the name of this vegetable? Tomato. Spot on. Tomatoes are juicy and red, perfect for salads and sauces. Okay, let's see. Can you guess this one? It's green and can be really crunchy. Any idea? Broccoli. Yes, it's broccoli. It looks like tiny trees and is super healthy for you. Time for a fun game. I'm going to describe a vegetable and you tell me what it is. Ready? This vegetable is long and green and bunnies love to munch on it. Celery. That's correct. Let's keep the guessing game going. This one is orange and sometimes you find it in salads or as a snack. Bell pepper. You got it. Bell peppers come in different colors and are packed with vitamins. Here's another one. It's small and round and you might find it in soups or on pizzas. Mushrooms. Right again. Mushrooms are fungi and add a yummy flavor to lots of dishes. Can you guess this one? Cucumber. Yes, you're obviously right. Did you know that cucumbers are mostly water? They are cool and refreshing, perfect for a hot day. You guys are veggie experts now. Let's name a few more vegetables we learned today. Carrot, tomato, broccoli, celery, bell pepper, mushroom, cucumber. Fantastic job! Keep exploring vegetables and remember to eat your veggies every day to stay strong and healthy. Thanks for joining us on our vegetable adventure. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye.